back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you for joining us, thank you for tuning in, and thank you for clicking on this video. Today I have a fun video. Can y'all tell? I'm sure y'all can tell by the title already. Look at this hair. This is my first time doing this color. So we're gonna be watercoloring it. I didn't show how I installed it just because I'm still learning. I'm not the best with that, so there's plenty of other tutorials on YouTube for that. But yes, get into this hair. I'm gonna be showing you how I turned this blonde basic ass wig into this bright multi-dimensional orange one that I got on now. I'll show you how I style it, all that. So if you want to see how I achieved this color, then make sure y'all just keep on watching. Alright, so we will be using Julia's hair today. I wanted to show y'all everything that came with the wig. As you can see, it came with a wig cap, it comes with a headband, and I will show you how the wig is constructed. It's their body wave wig. It's 613. It's a lace front. It has 3 combs, 2 on the sides, 1 on the bottom. As you can see, it also has lace at the bottom, and it comes with baby hairs as well. I'm going to be showing y'all the colors that I also used on this hair as well, because I used about 4 different colors. So as you can see, the Kiss Flaming Orange, and then the rest are door colors. Orange Blaze, as you can see, Sunrise Orange, and then Ginger. Now from here, of course you want to have boiling hot water. I will give a disclaimer right now because you'll see it later on in the video. I probably waited too long in between each, how do I want to describe it, like filling up the buckets of water. I probably waited too long, and it gave the other bucket time to cool off, if that makes sense. So the water, it wasn't as hot as it could have been. But you really want to make sure it's like boiling hot to the point where you see smoke coming off of it. In that first bucket, you just see that I'm using the Kiss Flaming Orange color in there just to mix it up. My mind, y'all, I'll probably insert a picture somewhere. I was going based off a picture that I found on Pinterest. I'm not a hairstylist. I didn't know what the colors were going to look like for real. I just tried to match them up as best as possible to get the look that I see in the Pinterest one. So as you can see right there, I'm mixing up in the next bowl, I believe it's the Sunrise Orange. And I'm using a popsicle stick just because, like I said, that water is hot and you don't want to burn yourself. So I'm just kind of swirling around with that. I did double up my gloves, so I have on 2 pairs of gloves just because I didn't want the color to bleed through on my nails. And then the last one, I'm using ginger. But with the ginger, I did have to mix in one of the other oranges as well, because at first it was looking a little too yellow. So I believe I ended up mixing in, which one was it? Was it Sunrise Orange? You all will see in a minute. But I was pretty much with the wig going for like an ombre effect. Now I'll be honest, if you want more of like that precise ombre and stuff like that, I would say either go to a professional or actually go through and color the hair with, like, you know, a brush and pouring the color in a bowl and things like that. That would be a way to get it more precise. But I'm not a hairstylist, like I said, so I just wanted to do what was easiest for me, and the watercolor method is easy for me. Another disclaimer I do want to let y'all know, because I feel like a lot of people don't tell y'all, this watercolor method honestly is only good if you're gonna be wearing the wig for a short amount of time, because once you wash it, because it is watercolor, the colors will start to bleed and the colors will start to come out. So I ended up wearing that wig for a month and I had to recolor it multiple times. But right here, I'm just showing you all the Got To Be Freeze spray, and I'm gonna be spraying the lace in the front and the lace in the back, because if you do not, when you dip that wig into the color, the lace will turn orange, and we don't want the lace to turn orange, because then the wig will not look as natural as it could for what it is. So that's what I'm doing right here. So I'm also doing the same thing to the back. Now I don't usually glue my wigs on the back or anything like that, but just in case I wanted to, I still took the same precautions and used that freeze spray to spray the lace in the back. Okay, so right here, as you can see, I'm dipping the front part of the wig into that first color. I can't even tell y'all how long I left the wig sitting in the color. I just kind of judged it a little bit. This is sped up, so it's gonna seem quicker than how long I actually left it in there. But I will have to say I had to go back in again and color it some more, just because of what I told y'all earlier, that the water wasn't as hot as it could have been, because it had cooled off by the time I ended up mixing the color in with it. And as far as where I wanted the ombre to go, I just kind of eyeballed it. I didn't measure or anything like that. So I just, like I said, eyeballed to where I wanted each color to start, and then kind of blended it into the previous color. All right, after that, so I did take the Ion color. They have an after color sealer. So if you were doing this on somebody's natural hair, after you colored it, the sealer is supposed to help the color from bleeding. But like I said, because it is watercolor, it's still going to bleed. So right here, I'm just showing you a little bit before and after, what the wig looked like before I did anything to it, and then what it looks like with the color. Now, in this lighting, you can't really tell that I used 4 different oranges, but I'm telling you, like, if I stepped outside and stuff like that, you could actually see the different gradients in the color. And then from there, of course, I'm just blow drying it out, and then I'm going to style it afterwards. So right here, this is what it looks like after it's blow dried. It's nice and soft and silky and stuff like that. I really loved how this turned out. So yeah, I'm just showing you how it looks after that. And then from here, I'm going in curling it. Now I will say, as far as how well the hair holds a curl, it's decent. But if you really wanted to hold the curl, I would suggest pin curling instead of doing what I did. Even though I did comb them out some, they ended up falling by the nighttime when I had it on. So yeah, and then I just pretty much curled in opposite directions because I didn't want them all to go in the same direction, just to give it more bounce and more volume, stuff like that. You can see right here that I cut the lace off. If y'all want me to do a video on that, I can. Like I told y'all in this video, I'm still learning how to do all of that. So for me, I just cut the lace according to how the hairline is on the wig already, because my forehead is very small and my hairline comes down very low. So it's kind of weird for me. So that's usually what I end up doing. And then I'll just end up using the Got To Be gel and the Got To Be freeze spray to mold my wigs down. And then of course you can use whatever curling iron you have. This is an old curling iron. As you can see, it has tape on it. I think it's Hot Tools or Golden Hot curling iron, but any like 1.5 inch barrel would do, because I wanted bigger, more voluminous curls. But that's pretty much it for the video. Bye y'all. So last y'all seen, I had finished curling it. So I installed it. I didn't show y'all how I installed it because I'm still learning. And it takes me a long time to put wigs on and try to make them somewhat look natural, even though we know orange is not a natural color. But I just combed the curls out a little bit and fixed it to my liking. Your girl loves a feathered side part with a little bang here. It's funny, my boo suggested I do a side part because I was going to do a middle part, but you know what? I haven't done a side part in a while, so I figured I would do that. So this is how the end results are looking. If y'all like this video and if y'all want me to do more videos like this, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments, because I can definitely do more colors and play around with it, and we can do things like that. If you're not a part of ALB family, then what are you doing? Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below to join the family. And don't forget to hit that bell notification too, so you never miss when I post another video. And until the next video, bye guys.